Okay, let's meet guys, the newly crowned Mr. Teen Bulacan, singing at Kultura 2025, the one and only. Please do the honor to introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Clyde Erich Ezekiel and I'm representing the city of Malalas.
Okay.
I was also crowned this night as
Yes.
singing at Kultura for
Wow.
Mr. Teen Bulacan.
So, what was going through your mind when you heard your name announced as the Mr. Teen Bulacan singing at Kultura?
Well, of course, it is indeed a pleasure because all I wanted to do in this competition is to win, and I did. And even if it's not the main title, I still appreciate it, and it means a lot to me.
Okay, so dahil nga nalalapit na ang Christmas, ano ang wish mo ngayong Pasko? Darating na Kapasko ha?
I just wish that everything will get along its way and more blessings to come. And of course, I want the world to heal even more.
Wow, very ka naman, laughing person. So please give us advice or for those aspirants na gusto ring makamit ang tagumpay mo ngayong gabi.
The advice that I would say is to trust yourself and don't pressure yourself too much because the more that you pressure yourself, the more that you distract yourself from winning.
Okay, so please invite the viewers to follow your social media account.
Okay. So please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's Clyde Ezekiel. Thank you.
Okay, again, we are proud and congratulate you.